Good.
Throw it.
And also, for the love of sakeness, next time if you leave your toys out here, please put them back inside the house. Because I don't want to run them over with the lawnmower.
Fine. Then I'm Dad. Rennie.
No, you're not.
They're not shark headed.
Good.
Ah! I can't
Freaking kids don't listen. Hey, you know what, you guys? If I clean up the front, you guys have to go back inside the house. Yep, because there's nobody out here to watch you. No!
What you can do about it now? Come on, let's go.
Go inside. No, come on, move. You're going back inside. Yeah. Because there's no adult out here. Come on.
Hey,
What?
fine, you just can't go back there. You stay over there by the swing set.
Remy, come on. Why can't we go over there?
Yeah, because that's off limits. Yep. Nope. Over there.
This is my BFF.
I don't care.
Come on.
Nope. You're getting annoy the crap out of me, kid. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Yeah, you're hurting me. Yeah, you did. Quit lying. Yeah. I'm like literally down with kids right now. Hmm.